Welcome to Detecon in Cologne.
Hi Jürgen, it's a pleasure to meet you in your office today. Can you please introduce yourself and your job shortly?
Yeah, I'm Jürgen Padberg, Managing Partner at Detecon. I'm responsible for the consulting business in the automotive and manufacturing industries. And beside this management role, I'm responsible for the key account of Group Volkswagen. So for the car brands and also for CARIAD, which is the car software unit within Group Volkswagen. That's why you can only meet me here in this lovely city of Cologne, but also in Wolfsburg, in Ingolstadt and Zuffenhausen.
Being on the road so often, do you also have some time for some leisure activities?
Yeah, sure, I do have. That's just a question of prioritization and organization. I have time to spend with my family, with my children, and also to follow up my hobbies, which is playing drums, doing music, and also dancing. Let me show you our offices of Detecon today.
Jürgen, you gained a lot of experience advising industry clients in the past. Now that AI is accessible for the mainstream, what changed in your work?
Well, on one hand side, we see an increasing demand of our clients who ask for advisory where they can use AI to make their customers happy or to increase the efficiency of their processes. On the other hand side, we are evaluating at Detecon where AI capabilities can help us to make our consulting business more smart.
So, how will AI change Detecon's advisory approach in client projects?
Yeah. Well, some groundwork like research, generating slides, or finding appropriate visualizations can be supported by AI. And also generating offers that meet the specific requirements of our customers can be accelerated by AI. However, the core advisory value creation still will require human brains. Yeah? AI, especially generative AI, is very good in reproducing already known knowledge or combine it in a new way. However, if you want to really do innovation, if you want to really do disruptive creativity, you need human brains and also human interaction.
Jürgen, we also heard you're an enthusiastic leader. I'm interested in how do you lead clients, project teams and Detecon staff in projects which are demanding regarding new technologies?
Yes, well, the mechanisms to lead clients are pretty much the same than leading own staff because we are talking about human beings. At Detecon we say leaders are defined by their followers, which means that it's rather the formal eligibility that you have, like stripes on your shoulder or something the like. It's more the ability to inspire people, to tell exciting stories and to open up new opportunities. And this both applies to clients as well as to consultants likewise.
And how do you live this at Detecon?
Well, with respect to clients, we try to follow the approach of the so-called trusted advisor. That means that we want to convince our customers that by arguments and facts that our recommendation is the right solution for him or her, and at the same time establish a personal relationship, so get some emotional bonding to the customers so that they can really rely on us. And with respect to our own stuff, we call our superiors people development leader, PDL. And I really like that term because it shows that people is foremost. We have to continuously develop them and we have to lead them in order to motivate our consultants.
So, now that we arrived here with our coffee, one last question for you. What was the last thing you asked ChatGPT to do for you?
Yeah, that's a funny one. It was for an internal presentation. And I wanted to do it different and make it also a little bit funny. So I asked ChatGPT to present the results in a form of a poem in the style of Heinz Erhardt. I don't know whether you know him, but he was really an artist with the German language. And it was quite funny and really impressive because everybody was really listening to what I was saying using that poem. And the message came over and was also quite funny.
Thank you very much, Jürgen, for the interview, for your time, and also for the nice office views today.
Yeah, thank you. You're welcome. Thanks for being here, and goodbye from Cologne.